Jeff here from Worms for Earth. I'm going to show you how to drill your holes into your bin. So you need a drill and a drill bit. You just need a few holes around the top for air. Go all the way around. Plastic is real easy to dig into, so it doesn't take a lot of pressure. Just there's no real pattern you have to follow. You just put some holes in there. Oh, must make the chuck tight. Wow, how that happened. All right. Drill some in the bottom as well. And that is it. Okay, holes around the top of your bin, holes in the bottom, and that's all you need to do.